in the mule with Paul Colagiovanni as it is heat race time here at the Fulton Speedway. Hey Paul, how we doing today?
Good, how you doing?
Good man, good. So we're gonna push Paulie up. What heat is he in?
2.
2, okay. So here's how it works, guys. It's a view you don't usually see. Later on, they'll put a front axle on the front here just in case they need it. Do you start him too on the track?
No, they won't let us start him on the track.
That's what I thought. Yeah, they have push vehicles for that. Used to be that way.
No. We don't want to start him on the track.
Paulie tells me this is an older car that he really likes.
It's the one at Ransomville that we flipped and wrecked.
Yeah, he told me you had to clip it.
Yeah.
And I guess this company no longer exists or something like that, right?
Yeah, Eagle, Speedway, whatever. But
I guess I didn't realize that had happened.
Sean Donoff did the work on it.
Oh, okay. Hobby stocks are on the track right now. So that's where they go, guys. That's how they push them up.